speak life into my house. I speak joy into my days. I speak peace into everything around me. I speak blessings, no fear, no lack, no delay. What God promised is coming. I speak it until I see it right. I speak it right now. Ooh.
See Anna. Eat the truth. See baby. See am chubby.
Very chubby. As beautiful as the parents.
As beautiful as me.